There's an awful lot of geophysical challenges that can affect us here in North Central Florida, like this sinkhole. So before something gets to this point, you need to call our friends at Geohazards Inc. Joining us here at Geohazards Inc. is Dr. Randazzo. Dr. Randazzo, nice to meet you.
Nice to see you.
Tell us about Geohazards Inc.
Well, we're a geotechnical consulting firm in Gainesville, Florida. We started in 1985 by my colleague Dr. Smith and me, former professors of geology at the University of Florida, as well as Dr. David Bloomquist, who's civil engineering professor, that offer professional services to homeowners, businesses, to identify those geological hazards and to offer viable solutions.
Now, what are some of these geological hazards?
The two principal ones are shrink swell clays and sinkholes, with a third one being flooding and drainage issues. Shrink swell clays being a special variety of clay that has the ability to expand and shrink. It is responsible for more damage than all other geological hazards combined.
And it's exciting to know there's a lot of science and expertise behind this.
The thing that separates us from other companies is the fact that we have individuals who have done countless decades of research to develop the right techniques.
Congratulations, peace of mind. What areas do you serve?
We basically serve all of the state of Florida, but principally we deal with an area from the I-4 corridor up to the Tallahassee area.
Now we're here with Tony. Tony, what's your title here at Geohazards Inc?
I am the Director of Geotechnical Engineering. We provide a variety of services to diagnose and survey common geological and engineering issues. The geologists, for example, will go out in the field and collect data, and then the engineers here in the office process the data and determine what kind of remedial solution may be needed. If a homeowner or a potential home buyer sees some cracking at the house, we can diagnose what the issue is and how to fix it.
And you work with homeowners, insurance companies, and attorneys as well.
Yes, we do.
So now we're at a job site with Jim. Let's say I already have a home or a business and there's a crack in the wall of the foundation. What's the process there?
They're going to send your phone call to me and I'm going to start asking you some questions about what type of property you have, where is it located. We really like to tailor the investigation for the client. A geologist might go out first to see what is the cause of the crack. At that point, we may say that a structural engineer might need to take a look at it, make sure everything's safe. If there's something going on in the subsurface and we need to fix the soil conditions, our geotechnical engineers can step in and come up with a comprehensive plan.
And Jim, I've noticed some equipment out here that I'm not familiar with. What is it that we're looking at?
Our electrical resistivity is the yellow cord that you see here. We shoot an electric current into the ground, and the different resistance that electric current gets, it can tell us what's happening in the subsurface. If there's a cavity within the limestone, if there's some kind of soil movement. And besides that, we have a ground penetrating radar. So it helps us locate what the anomalies we're seeing on the subsurface. We can find buried tanks, buried electric lines, but we also can find buried disturbances in the soil.
It doesn't really disturb the property that much using this equipment.
After we're done with the investigation, you can't even tell that we were there.
Once the investigation's complete, I receive a report.
You'll have a report basically detailing all the testing that was completed on your property, and also it'll be signed and sealed by the professionals involved with that project.
So Jerry, you're a professional geologist, but you're also the Director of Business Development for Geohazards Inc. What happens after I get my report?
So once you receive your report, it'll have conclusions both based on the geology and the engineering aspects of your project. We can recommend contractors that will be able to assist you in getting the repairs that you need.
If you need them. You're not actually performing the repair itself, so your reports are very objective.
If you have no problems, we'll tell you. But if you do have a problem, we can help you through the entire process.
So Jerry, who are good potential clients for Geohazards Inc?
Homeowners that are potentially going to build a home. We can assist in real estate transactions, and also we can deal with construction services and builders.
Excellent. So what's the best way to get a hold of you?
You can go to our website or call us on our 1-800 number.
So if you have cracks in your home, settlement or depressions in your yard, you need to call Geohazards Inc. Expert solutions, exceptional service. Now I'm getting out of this hole.